Hello guys, welcome back to How to Solve YouTube channel. Don't miss to subscribe this channel or activate notification alerts for next videos by tap on bell icon. On your Mac, open Automator app using Spotlight Search. Command space to launch Spotlight Search and type Automator apps. See, this is the automation apps. Now choose Quick Action Workflow and then choose. Here is the workflow receive current and set no input, and the other options are as it is. Now in the search box type Apple to find run Apple script. Double click on run Apple script and here is the script. Select on and tap delete button to remove the script. Now replace with the new script given in this video description. Don't use copy paste, just type the script side by side. Start to type tell application system events, then tell appearance preference, set dark mode to not dark mode, and tell. This script replaces with the existing script and works as a custom shortcuts in your Mac for dark mode. In the previous tutorial, we seen how to delete this script once you add, or if your mind is changed, then you can remove this script and shortcuts as well. Now run the script, verify the script first of all carefully, and then once you verified, tap on the play button, means the run button. See the instant changes in your screen. Now give the name, custom name that you easily identify in your system preference. Here is the dark mode shortcuts by howtosolve.com, and save the script and your job is done. Tap on Apple menu and shift buttons. Now click on the keyboard, then shortcuts. From the side pane, tap on services and scroll down from the right and see the dark mode shortcuts by MacOS that's set by us. Double click on and use keyboard shortcuts at the same time. Here I am trying to set Command B, so press Command B at once. Now your shortcut has been set. You can change anytime or remove anytime. Repeat the steps here and double click on dark mode shortcuts by MacOS and replace with your another key. That's it. Don't miss to like and share if you help this video. Also don't miss for more videos by subscribing us.